Okay, we're going over the Astros question for your 2D figures test review. We're doing questions 5 through 8 only. If you do questions 1 through 4, they're extra credit. Only if you do all of them. Don't say you did some and then ask for credit. You must show all work. No work, no credit. This is for Friday, February 28th. All right, so let's jump to questions 5 through 8 because those are more important. You can look at your notes to get help for 1 through 4. All right, what does line segment AB represent in this circle? So segment AB from A to B. If I turn this to the side, I'll see the letter D. Okay? Number 6, good morning. Here. Mary Beth has 2 hula hoops. This is what we're working on tomorrow, test review. Has 2 hula hoops with diameters of 24 inches and 28 inches. So draw 2 circles. Diameter of 24 and another circle, diameter of 28. What is the best estimate of the difference between their circumferences? Difference means I have to do what? Subtract their what? No. No. Subtract circumferences. If you do 28 minus 24, you're going to get it wrong. Okay? You have to find circumference over here and circumference over here. What is the formula for circumference? Pi what? Pi times diameter. And pi times diameter. Pi is 3.14. Diameter is 24. You need to work this out. And you need to work this out. What? Okay. Good morning. Here. That's what we're looking at. All right. This should be in your notes with your multiples of pi. This one will not because we went up to 25. Okay? Number 7. Which expression can be used to find the diameter D of a circle when the circumference is known? So, this is in your notes. Find diameter. Circumference equals pi times diameter. You need to solve for D. Okay? Which ratio correctly describes pi? This symbol right here is pi. For the circle below. This is wrong, actually. Hey. Fine, how are you?
The 4th grade can cover science class. It's real fun. You can be very theater action.
I have PLC today, so is that...
Oh, today is PLC day.
Yeah.
Let me come back and talk to you first. And
Okay.
I'll find out. But for right now, science.
Okay.
Figures.
Okay.
4th grade.
So this says 3.14 is my circumference, but that would be pi times 10. But 10 is my radius here. So I really need pi times 20. Actually, just skip this question. I don't like it. All right, the next one, 7.5C on the back. In Ponce de Leon Park, there is a flagpole that is exactly 50 feet tall. Nearby, there is a pine tree that appears to be nearly as tall as the flagpole. On a sunny afternoon, the flagpole is casting a 15-foot long shadow. So, there's the shadow. On the ground, the pine tree is casting a 12-foot long shadow. There's the shadow on the ground at the same time. How much taller than the pine tree is the flagpole? So, in order to find which is taller, what do you need to do first? No, before I subtract, what am I subtracting? What do I not know? No, it's not asking for area. What do I not know? The height of what? The height of the what? Do I know height here? What is the height here? No. 50. Do I know the height here? No. How tall? Okay. So I need to make a what? Proportion. Okay, I can do flagpole and I can do tree. What heights of the flagpole do I know, or what measurements? All right, so the shadow is 15 feet. What's the shadow over here for the tree? How much? 12. And then the height of the flagpole is what? 50. And then what's the height of the tree? X, because I don't know it. Okay? Cross multiply, then divide. But then I have to do what with 50? What is the question asking? How much taller than the pine tree is the flagpole? So I've got to subtract whatever number I get. All right, when two figures are similar, the ratios of the lengths of their corresponding sides are equal. To determine if the triangles below are similar, compare their corresponding sides. So which side corresponds to whom? 7.5 corresponds to whom? To 3. So I'm going to color those both purple. What's the other one? 5 and 12. So I'm going to color those both pink. Okay? Are these ratios equal? How do I prove if they're equal? The notes from February 24th will tell you what to do here. You must show work. Number 7. Find the length of the missing side in the set of similar figures. What am I supposed to do? What is this arrow pointing to? Which side? Is it diagonal or straight up and down? Diagonal side. This side right here. So, what do I need to do? How am I finding the other side? What did we do in these notes? Okay, you need to look at these notes for help. Julie shows the scale of her room below. If 1 centimeter on the scale drawing represents 5 feet, what are the actual dimensions of Julie's room? 1 centimeter is 5 feet. This is a ratio. Okay? So, if I have 4 centimeters here, how many feet is that? Actual dimensions. These are lengths. These are lengths of all the sides. How long is this side? If it's 4 centimeters, 1 centimeter is 5 feet. Two centimeters are how many feet? One centimeter is 5 feet. 2 centimeters are how many feet, ladies and gentlemen? 10. 3 centimeters. 15 feet. What about a half a centimeter? $2.5. Okay, so 3, let's go to 4 centimeters. 20. 5 centimeters. 25. 6 centimeters. 30. Okay, so I've got 2 4 centimeters here. How long is 4 centimeters? 20 feet. I need this answer. How long is 5.5? So I need 5 and what? I need 5 and what? And what? Not a 0.5. What does this 0.5 mean? Half. So how much is a half centimeter? We just wrote it above the 4. 2.5. So how much is this all together? Okay, you need to know how to do this, guys. And you also need to know how long this piece is. If this whole piece right here is 5.5 and this down here is 4, then this right here is already written on this paper, and you need to know how long this side is. Okay, if a rectangle below is enlarged using a scale factor of 1.5. Scale factor means I'm going to multiply. By 1.5. What will be the new area of the rectangle? So I need to find the area of the rectangle. How? How do you find the area of a rectangle? Base times height. So I'm going to multiply my base times my height. My base is 7. My height is 2. And then I'm going to multiply it by what? 1.5. Number 7. Uriah has a map of Plainview, Texas, and several nearby cities. The map scale is 1 inch equals 11.3 miles. This is a rate. And where do we put rates?